On today's episode of
Jessica Anywhere,
we unbox the FabFitFun Winter 2020 box. Hello everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. My name's Jessica from Jessica Anywhere, and I upload travel videos weekly on Wednesdays with some lifestyle videos trickled in here and there. My upload schedule is just a little bit different with the holiday season and me participating in Vlogmas this year, so I did a little poll for you guys to see if you wanted to see the FabFitFun video as an unboxing or if you guys wanted to see it as a review later on. I was kind of more leaning towards doing it as a review as part of Vlogmas, but a majority of you guys wanted to see an unboxing. So I decided I'm probably just going to end up doing both. So here is the unboxing for you guys. I wanted to start off by talking just a little bit about what FabFitFun is. FabFitFun is a seasonal box that arrives once a quarter or once a season. They give you two options to pay for it. You can either pay for it seasonally at $50 a box, or they do give you the option of doing an annual membership at $180 for the entire year. So it does save you just a little bit of money like it traditionally does with a subscription box if you pay for the full year in advance. They like to include various fashion, beauty, skincare, fitness, cooking, just basically a bunch of different lifestyle items throughout the box, so it's a good fit for pretty much anybody, quite honestly. Your membership will also get you access to their community forum online, their digital magazine, FabFitFun TV, as well as some additional sales that they offer throughout the year. I also wanted to address some of the new changes that they've implemented recently to the box. Some of their biggest changes that they've made are an effort to be a bit more eco-friendly. One of the biggest changes that they've made has been changing up the design of the box to where it takes less ink in printing, in turn being more eco-friendly. One of the other big changes that they made was changing the type of material that they use for their in-box magazine. So it used to be more of your traditional magazine type paper, and now it is more of a recycled paper. They are also using brown paper in their boxes rather than their previous sparkly tissue paper that they were using to pack things, where the brown paper is recyclable and the tissue paper was not. They have also developed various box sizes to better fit your customizations, as well as so that they can include add-ons when they are able to, so that they can cut down on sending out an additional box for you like they previously did when you would order some add-ons through them. The last thing that I want to talk about is a new change for the winter season, and that is what they are calling refills. This is basically just a few different skincare products that you can choose from that will arrive with your box every season that you pay for at a discounted price compared to their normal retail value. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about before we go ahead and get into the box is just their current Black Friday special that they have going on. If you sign up for the winter box before the end of the month by November 30th using my link down in the description below, you guys will receive a free mini box with your first box that you get. And from what I've been reading, the mini box is valued at over $100. I haven't personally received a mini box before, but everything that I've read on the community forum as well as on Reddit has been very positive when it comes to the items that they will typically include with their mini boxes. So in my opinion, if you have been wanting to try out FabFitFun, now is the perfect time to do so, where you will receive the free mini box as well as all of the awesome items that will come in the winter box. The last thing that I want to mention here is that if you do use my link to sign up, I will receive a $20 credit to use towards a future sale with FabFitFun. This video isn't sponsored or anything like that. This referral link is a link that anybody will have if they use FabFitFun. I actually just found out about this because I was trying to figure out what all of their changes that they made recently to become more eco-friendly were, and just stumbled upon their Black Friday special that they are offering. So let's go ahead and get into the box. With the winter box, we received 8 different items this season. The first 3 items were available for all members to customize. Options 4 and 5 were only available for select members to customize, and then the last 3 options were the FabFitFun picks that they've recently started doing. For the first option, we had the choice of the Vera Bradley Compact Organizer, the Unhide Lil Marshmallow Blanket, the Bomshi Sloan Champagne Flutes set of 4, the Summer and Rose Cozy Robe, the Lowly Beauty Tea Seed Elixir, the Kate Spade New York Rise and Shine Stud Earrings, and lastly, the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. So I had a very hard time choosing what to get from the first and second customization categories. Out of the first category, I wanted almost everything that they let us choose from, and I had a very hard time narrowing this one down. So basically, how I narrowed this down was I don't ever really drink champagne, and I have a few different nice wine glasses, so I decided not to get those. I'm absolutely obsessed with blankets, but I don't need any more, so I did not get the unhide blanket as much as I want it. And then I also decided not to get the robe because I already have 2, and decided I don't need a 3rd, even though after watching Jen's video, Jen Love's video to be specific, I kind of regret it. It looks like a really nice robe. So what I did choose were the Kate Spade New York Rise and Shine Stud Earrings set of 2. I really like dainty jewelry, so these really stood out to me where they were on the daintier side, of course, as far as having just a simple pearl and a simple diamond setting. So I'm really excited to wear these earrings. I've already worn them once when we went out to Wendover, and just based on my first impression, I absolutely love them and cannot wait to wear them throughout the holiday season. For the second customization option, we could choose between the Lily Pulitzer ceramic mug set of 2, the Caudalie Venosource Moisturizing Sorbet, the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, the Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm, the Lucky Brand Solid Brushed Scarf, or the Impressions Vanity Company LED Mirror. So like I said, I had such a hard time at choosing what to get out of these customization choices. I absolutely love mugs, but I have plenty, and I was kind of worried about the pattern rubbing off on those mugs, so I decided not to get those. I really wanted the vanity mirror as well. However, I've got one downstairs, and I really like that one and want to get a similar one where it is double-sided to go on my vanity upstairs. And so I decided to just go ahead and add on an extra choice with this one. So for the second customization option, I got the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, as well as the Lucky Brand Solid Brushed Scarf. I absolutely love scarves. I always have ever since I was little, so I was really excited to see this one in the box, where it is a deep charcoal gray color, which is one of my absolute favorite colors, and it just seems to be super warm and cozy, especially after trying it on. So now that it is snowing here in Utah and winter is essentially here, I am definitely going to be wearing that a ton. I also decided to get the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion because from what I have read online and from what Jen mentioned in her FabFitFun video, which will be linked down below for you guys, this is a really great product to help your skin stay moisturized, especially throughout the winter here in the desert, where it is going to be super dry like it always is. She did recommend topping this product with a moisturizer, which I of course always do, so I am very excited to see how my skin fares this winter with using that, as well as another product that I got in the box. Customization number 3, we had the options of the Ilia Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara, the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eyeshadow Palette, the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser, as well as the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pore Dermabrasion, and lastly the Lily Sadugi Maroon Velvet Headband. Nothing really jumped out to me with the third customization option. I've gotten some Dr. Brandt products previously and just wasn't a huge fan of them. I've heard really good things about them. They just didn't react very well with my skin from my experience, so I decided not to go for either of those. And I wasn't really a big fan of either of the makeup products that they included, so I went ahead and I got the little headband that they included here. I wasn't a big fan of headbands growing up, however, I really like how they look, especially as of late with the new like knotted headbands that they have been coming out with and that are more in style. So I figure why not go ahead and give this one a try where it's included in my box, and it's the perfect color for winter and to celebrate Christmas. So the fourth and fifth options are the select customization only. So for the fourth option, I could choose between the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, the Mucklex Cabin Socks, the Vor Hair Care Rhythm and Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox, or the Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. So with this one, I have a ton of socks, and I have a few different like cozier pairs of socks that I like to wear around the house in the winter time, and I actually just recently got a new pair as well. So I decided not to go for either of those, and I also have plenty of hair masks. So I opted to get the Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. So I have not used this mask yet, but from what I've read with the ingredients and from just kind of what I've seen online, and again from Jen's video, I'm really excited to use this product throughout the winter time to help keep my skin nice and moisturized. One thing that Jen mentioned is she didn't really see anything in the ingredients that would help draw water from the environment rather than from your skin itself. So you do want to make sure that you put a moisturizer over this once you're done using the mask. So for the fifth customization option, we had 3 choices. We could choose between the Beautinique Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, the Ipare Cutting Board set of 4, or the DP Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder. For this option, I decided to go with the set of 4 cutting boards. So I have never really been a big fan of your more flexible cutting boards because I've always used the ones from the dollar store that are cheap, not just inexpensive, they're very cheap. So when I saw these ones and did a little bit of digging into their reviews, I figured I might as well get them. One thing that really stood out to me with these cutting boards is they do have the different symbols on them, so that way you can kind of divvy up your cutting boards between your meats, your seafood, your vegetables, your fruits, and everything along those lines. And then also these are going to be really nice when we get an RV in the future. Now the last customization options are all the FabFitFun picks. For number 6, we had the option between the Wish Lip Scrub in Vanilla Bean, the Paradox Licky Stars Blemish Patches, or the Below the Belt Croc Card Case. So every unboxing I have seen had the card case, which I was really hoping I wouldn't receive because I don't really use things like that. I've had wallets similar to that before and just didn't really like how they functioned. It was just too small for me. And so I was really hoping to get either the blemish patches or the lip scrub, and I ended up getting the lip scrub. I really enjoy lip scrubs. I have a few of them actually that I have used before and need to get back in the habit of using now that it is winter time. So I'm really excited to get this one a try and see just what I think of the vanilla bean flavor, scent, whatever you want to call it that it has, and I'm excited to see how this one functions as well. I mean, it's a lip scrub, I'm sure it will do its job, but I'm curious. For the 7th option, there were 2 choices here. There was the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush or the Noir Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies. So I was honestly open to getting either of these. I have a dry brush that I use on my legs to help prevent against ingrown hairs before I shave. And so I was curious what a dry brush would do to help my face. And I also really enjoy scrunchies. I love that they don't leave any sort of a kink in my hair when I pull my hair up and everything like that. And so I was honestly kind of leaning towards hoping I would receive those, but excited for each. And I got the scrunchies. So I'm super excited to use these, especially with the leopard print. I am kind of getting a little bit more into like your leopard and cheetah prints. I don't like your snake skin prints or really any other animal prints, but leopard is one that I am starting to enjoy. Now the last option that was in the box was the Estetica Liquid Eyeliner, the London Town Get Well Nail Recovery, or the Phase Zero Makeup Making Moves Blusher. So I wasn't really So out of these, I was kind of hoping to receive either the blush or the nail recovery, especially after seeing that I could put like the nail recovery in a nail polish and kind of create some cool designs with it. And I was really hoping I wouldn't receive the eyeliner, and thankfully I received the blush. So I really like the color of this blush. It's a nice kind of orangey peach-ish color, which will be really nice going into springtime in my opinion for my skin tone. And it feels like it's going going to be a really nice quality as well. So I cannot wait to give this blush a try. So that is everything I received in my winter box. I love this box. I love how just cozy it is. It absolutely screams winter to me. The summer boxes and winter boxes are just definitely my favorite, and I definitely think they hit it out of the park this season. One thing I did add on to my box are these little hair clips. So I have been loving just how these look, especially when I curl my hair and just want to pull a little bit up out of my face. So when I saw these as part of the add-ons for the winter box, I figure I might as well throw them on where these would be perfect for the holidays. So I just tallied the total retail value up for my box, not including the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. My box is worth $317.95, and including the Murad, because that brand is ridiculously expensive, my box comes to a value of $395.95. So definitely worth the $50 that you would pay for this as a seasonal member, in my opinion. I would definitely pay $50 for this box if I saw it on a shelf, especially between the couple of skincare products in here, the amazing scarf, the earrings, as well as the cute little headband. So definitely worth it to me. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of the winter box, especially if you guys get FabFitFun. I'm curious what you guys received and what you think of your box. But this is where I'm going to end today's video. I hope I'm able to cut down a good amount of footage for you guys. My camera's about to cut me off because I've been filming for so long. But yeah, I'm super excited for Vlogmas this year. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss a daily upload throughout the month of December leading up to Christmas. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on Wednesday with another video. You could be anywhere, but thanks for being here with me. Bye guys. We unbox. Okay, get it together. Oh, tight. Okay. No, that's my Murad. Where is that mask? Okay. $78.